Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a 3D volume of revolution. What you need to do first of all is select a 3D page, which is this one here. Okay, it comes up black by default. Now you can select either black, blue or white, and I'm going to go for white, but it's your preference. Get rid of this thing at the bottom, so just right click and show clear. Right, you need to go to the axes, which is this one here. And you need to do several things. Go to options, okay, and then hide the Z axis, okay. We're going to keep the numbers around the outside for this question, okay, but we're going to need to change the ranges on the X. So we're going to go from -9 to 9, and we press OK. Right, we'll see now it becomes 2D. So what we do, grab this corner here and move it round until it looks like the Cartesian plane. Okay, right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to plot the graph. So press this one here. When we plot the graphs, we need to plot them as 2D only, Cartesian. So click, okay, and we're going to put in X is equal to E to the Y. Now you can't do the power sign, you have to use this one. Press OK. Okay, and you see that we'll get, this is actually looks like Y to the ln of X, which is what it is. Okay, so, okay, then we're going to plot the other graph in, so press equals, and we're going to put X is equal to E squared. We do have a squared one for here. And press that one there. Okay, one thing I did wrong there is, I'll just click on it again. The thing that I did wrong is I did not plot it as a 2D equation. Okay, so you can see what happens. Just going to change the colour of that to something nicer. I'm going to change it to green. Right, so there I now have the two original graphs given in the question. So this is X is equal to, Y is equal to ln of X, and this is X is equal to E squared. Right, next thing to do, we're going to put 2 points on the two limits. So we have to attach them to the curve, make sure you attach them. You can check down here whether you've got it right or not. So I can see Y is equal to 0, and I'm going to attach another point here which should say Y is equal to 2. You can see that down here. You can see that down here. If I haven't pressed permission, you can see that down here. Wait a minute. Okay, there we go. You can see this down here. Y is equal to 2. Okay, go back to point mode. Just select out here. Right, now select both of them, one, and then press shift and select the other one. And then go to object and say find area. Okay, you'll notice that these have been blanked out because they've already been selected for us. We need to increase the number of divisions. Let's do it to 1,000. Okay, and let's do rectangle plus. And press OK. Okay, so it changes the changing region here. If you press Simpson's rule, this will not work. Okay, select the slow plot, which is this one here. We'll slow it down a little bit. Make sure it's selected. Okay, and then select the area. It should change to different colour, and go to Object or right click and say, here you see at the bottom it says Find Volume. Okay. We want to do it round the y-axis, which is X is equal to 0, and we want to, and if we watch, hopefully, you can see it starting. It started to come round here. It's doing like that because I did a slow plot, so that we get a graph of what of the solid. You just let it do its thing, going around a bit slowly. Okay, so it's going around the other bit, so it's going quite slow actually. Okay, never mind. Okay, and you can see it going right round the whole axis like that. Until we get back round to the beginning again. Okay, that's how you actually do it. And then if you want to have a look, which is finished, let's have a look. You just grab it and it will move it around. quite finished yet. You can see it's not quite finished, that's why. There we go, it's finished. We can move it around on its side and have a look like that. A bit difficult. Okay, move it up. So move it around again. You can have another look there from different angles. Okay. Okay. There we are. Back to the beginning again. Okay, so you get the idea of the shape. Okay.